The location was the Secretariat Complex of the Ondo State Government at Alagbaka in Akure, the state capital. Various groups from within and outside the state capital had gathered to witness what stakeholders called a kickoff towards actualizing a dream. The immediate past Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Mr. Eyitayo Jegede, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, had just resigned his appointment to pursue governorship ambition. Political associates, friends, professional colleagues, community and political leaders from the 18 local government areas had positioned themselves as strategic areas to be part of the unfolding epoch-making event. Having performed his last assignment as Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Eyitayo Jegede was to proceed to the office of the Secretary to the state government to deliver his letter of resignation. The constitutional process was turned into a political rally and carnival as the Secretariat premises was electrified by cheers from public servants and other mobile bands who had come to identify with the legal luminary. Procession to the governor's office, where the SSG's office is located, became a Herculean task as the governorship hopeful had to acknowledge the crowd of supporters from the opened roof of his car. It was glaring that the crowd of supporters were determined not only to show their support but also to cheer him to victory. It could be described as an indication of our people coming together to speak with one voice at the polls. Arriving in the office of the Secretary to the State Government, Eyitayo Jegede described his action as a fulfillment of constitutional requirement.
I am here in obedience to the provisions of our laws and the Constitution to formally disengage as the Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice for the purpose of seeking higher office. I'm passing my letter directly to Mr. Governor through the SSG, and I want to thank Ondo State in general for giving me the opportunity to serve. I want to especially thank Mr. Governor for affording me opportunity to be of service to the people of Ondo State. I want to thank the cabinet members, my colleagues in the cabinet, that's the State Executive Council, for their cooperation and for their friendship and for their fellowship throughout my service as the Attorney General. I resumed work as the AG in 2009, 25th of May, and I have served in the first tenure. I was privileged to serve in the second tenure. Today I'm bowing out to seek higher office, and I thank the SSG for the leadership and the brotherliness you have provided in this period. And I pray that God will answer our prayers. Amen. I do pray that people will be happy. And I pray that all those who are giving opportunity to serve will serve today. I intend to serve. The letter is here. We pass to Mr. Governor. This one is the Governor's attention.
God of being here. In fact, you've been a very important part of the cabinet. You play a very significant role in all we do in this government. There's something I don't have your touch. Any decision making. You're a very wonderful worker, a team player, and your leadership in all that you have operated. You work together at the STB, even very insightful leadership there. And in all cases that we've done in this government, tribunal cases, legal matters, agreements, even very whatever that very critical end to all that we have done. We are going to miss you as Attorney General, but we also will be the best in the house we are seeking. Amen. By the grace of God, God will answer your prayers. Amen. God will answer our prayers. Amen. By this time next year, we should be in that high office.
Amen. It is now clear that the resignation after serving meritoriously for over 7 years has signaled the commencement of political activities that would enable Barrister Eyitayo Jegede, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, serve in higher capacity as the governor of the Sunshine State.